Welcome to BezReviews. Today we are diving into the Cuisinart Dual Basket Air Fryer, an 11-quart kitchen workhorse. This appliance offers impressive versatility for preparing various meals simultaneously. We will explore its features and discuss if it is the right fit for your home. Check the link in the description for the best price. First, let's look at the Cuisinart Dual Basket Air Fryer's core cooking capabilities. The dual 5.5-quart baskets combine for an impressive 11-quart total, providing ample space and flexibility to prepare 2 separate dishes. With 6 distinct functions including air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, and keep warm, this appliance offers wide versatility. The Sync Finish and Sync Settings technology is a major highlight, automatically adjusting times so both foods finish at 5 convenient air fry presets for wings, fries, frozen snacks, vegetables, and nuggets allow for quick selection and easy cooking. Overall, the cooking power and versatility of this air fryer are strong, offering the ability. Next, let's explore the practical aspects of owning this Cuisinart air fryer, including cleaning is a breeze since the ceramic non-stick crisper plate and air fry baskets are fully dishwasher safe, saving you. The appliance features a sleek black and stainless finish that should complement most kitchen aesthetics and the Cuisinart brand typically. While essential details like capacity and functions are provided, the specific wattage or power consumption of this air fryer is. With a price of $153.08, including a solid 19% off its list price, this Cuisinart air fryer presents a good. In summary, this Cuisinart air fryer provides great ease of cleaning and solid value for its price. The design is practical, but a clearer picture of power would make it even stronger. The Cuisinart Dual Basket Air Fryer is a strong contender for anyone needing flexible, efficient cooking capabilities. Its dual baskets, multiple functions, and smart sync features make it easy to prepare complex meals. The easy clean design is a significant plus for daily use.